My name is Mucha Eme. I'm here to introduce to you a new YouTube channel called Rwanda Run Coding Skills. It is a YouTube channel basically used two languages, English and Kinyarwanda. The reasons why we use Kinyarwanda and English, it is both for students in primary and students in the secondary, but even there is also those who doesn't know English very well, they will be also able to use these videos that will be posted on this YouTube channel. So one learn coding skills scratch YouTube channel, it is all about to teach you and gives you tutorials of scratching, of how to scratch, so that you can be able to make your video, to code your games and enjoy them. Here we'll be able to give you some strategies, some tutorials of how you can make your videos and how you can code your games for maybe enjoying, for playing, for sharing, for using as advertising. It's many things as you can do it as your own purpose. So here there is two different ways we'll be posting videos, be encouraging two different good things that will help you to be able to see different games. Such as this game, you can see here there are different games. You will be able to enjoy your games as you are making yours. And I will make sure that every week I will give you at least one video so that you can enjoy them, you can see how to make videos, and you can be able to play your games as you have made it with your scratching. So again, this YouTube channel, it will help younger students to strengthen and sharpen their minds and their critical thinking, as well as they are learning how to scratch. And those who participate in different competitions, they also have got a lot of chance to get how they will be able to win their competition. It is only just 2 weeks and you'll be enabled to win competition and become the first and the best, the first of all competition winners. Hello, just make subscription and then enjoy our videos and our tutorials. I hope you will enjoy them and become a good scratcher, a good coding skill with a high skills in coding. Thank you so much, and